But it's rough and tough on my end. I'm trying to pull you in. Bullet, slow cruising the Escalade, duck out.
Hey, Bullet, why you slow cruising that big bad Escalade? Hey, Bullet, why you slow cruising that Escalade? Joe 920 in the Mission Control Mobile said, come on down.
Some things take priorities, I guess, from time to time, and it can't always be a mud duck. Station Boulder Mount Mall, dropping the city to the hammer right there, right now. 9:55 on the big station.
The Wrecking Ball standing by.
I had Wrecking Ball, I had Motormouth Mall, I had Bullet Bob, and that big bad Escalade. Hey, Bullet Bob, I want you to bring that Escalade back to the Bighorn one more time, and I want you to clean it out. Hey, Bullet Bob, reach over there and step on that pedal and let her rock.
Yeah, I guess he could. California, I ain't heard Judge in a long time. Wanted to get in there and wait for a friendly piece. Thumbed it before he disappeared and jumped out of the woodworker into the woodworkers, whatever the case may be. That'll work in your case. All right, there, hey, 9:55. I'm not sure what you're running out there. You want to find on the Shockwave, or you on the Quad, or what are you talking on there, Greg?
Hey, 151, I'm just parking. 151, I'm just parking. I'll be back.
Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob, we heard you that you're just parking. Hey, Bob, 920 said we heard you that you're just parking, and we got you on the video gate. Hey, Bullet Bob, we'll see ya.
But it's secret. I can't share it over the radio. What a bummer. Don't you ever, do you hate those things where you'd like to be able to share something with the masses? But because you can, doesn't mean you should, but because you want to. Under modulated generator right now. Master Blast in the Gold Sierra is looking back by.
What's going on, Master Blaster? I said, hey, Master Blaster, 920 in the Bighorn.
Alright, Motormouth Mall, your big dog, 911 in the Keystone, they got. Northeast corner of Lafayette, snow country, and I just got back. 772. 772 beer money working his battles north into the long yard. 770. Man, I'm sitting here working this little 125 watts of carrier and a 3-element beam out here, man. So I know all about it. Not too much, not too strong. I've been pretty good at that lately, man. I got the amplifier torn down. I'm down on a little 3-element antenna, you know. I mean, okay, Mr. A34, I heard you. Mr. A34, 888 in the Buckeye State, and I'm gonna pull this thing straight back. Get back in the snowdrift. Catch you later, A34. Have a great one. 888 in the Buckeye State now.
Hey, 888, I gotta get it back in your radio one time. Hey, 888, as the video gate's rolling, and you came up in here, and you cleaned Motormouth Mall out of my receive. Hey, 888, 920.
So, it comes by jerks. So, I heard somebody come up in there. I didn't catch it all. We got a lot of hash and trash up here, a lot of noise in the northeast corner of Buck 10. Got a lot of noise up here in the northeast corner, but I heard somebody say that I cleaned Motormouth Mall out of there. Now, that's hard to believe. That's hard to believe that I cleaned old Motormouth Mall out of there. 888 in the Buckeye State waving out to you.
Hey, 888. Hey, 888 out there in the Buckeye State. You're 9208, 888, 920 in this rolling Mission Control. I just wanted to get it in there and let you know that you cut out Motormouth Mall Like he wasn't even keying. Hey, 888, you and that ground sounding audio.
Okay, Mr. 920, man, I got it all. You come right up in there that time. You can like you own it, Mr. 920. Lord, have a real good Happy New Year to you. Appreciate the comeback. Appreciate the flowers, no doubt. Northeast corner to Buck 10 up here around old cold country, Lake Erie. 888 in the Buckeye State. 888 in the Buckeye State. And we're going to straight back. Appreciate that info. Take care. And I'm getting out.
Alright there, 888. And if you jump up on YouTube.com, you'll see what you did to Motormouth Mall and my receive. Just search 888 920.